Hi everyone, today I am sharing this super soft and glowy makeup look that's just perfect for every day for any casual outing. So first I am starting with a primer to make my skin smooth for makeup. This really helps everything sit perfectly. Next, I am applying my foundation, just a light layer to even out my skin tone. I want it to look natural and radiant. Okay, then I am using a little concealer under my eyes and around the corner of my lips. This brightens up my face instantly. Now for the cute part, blush. I am really using a soft pink blush on my cheeks for that healthy glow, and then I'll set it lightly with a powder blush to make it last long. A touch of compact powder around my T-zones help keep everything in place and shine free. So I am also adding a bit of concealer on my eyelid just to even out the color and make the eyeshadow. Okay, and for the eyes I am keeping it simple with a soft eyeshadow, just a hint of shimmer for that dreamy glow, then a smooth eyeliner to define the eyelash. Be careful while applying the eyeliner, and nothing too bold, just gentle and pretty. Next, I am dabbing a little strobe cream on my cheekbones and nose for that dewy lit from within glow. Okay, and now you can see the glow on my face. So for lips, I am going in with a pretty lipstick, and must apply the lipstick according to your skin tone. So I am going with this pretty lipstick and topping it off with a glossy lip gloss. That's it, my soft glowing makeup look is done. It's a simple, sweet and perfect for any day when you just want to feel effortlessly beautiful. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.